So, sir, Monkwasi Ajana Moyano na blogger B. Last time I talked about how some people they just leave Ghana, go there foreign. Then they won't talk about what they happen for here. Please, we don't need them. If you want to talk, maybe if you did Iraq, you go talk Bin Laden, Saddam Hussein, those kind of things. You go talk them accents for there. So say make them bomb you for there. If you go Putin in country, then go there talk Putin, they go bomb, they go Putin them, they don't cut your head. When you're falla, your president, you know they throw bomb, your president they throw missile. So if you wake up, you possess defeat, make fun of your presidents. You can't defeat talk. Shout out to Asaka boy, shout out to Jaybhad, my nigga. We they release when I song Gangalia. Jaybhad said if somebody touch him, they won't go touch the person. That be some fucking street hustler. You get me? If you see, I go say he hustle. You get we like the hustle like that. Make you see how we hustle. When we can make money, then can talk say, no, I think, but you know, we know what's big man. We know what's big man. I said we find one a path. Or you know say Kaswa people say make a camera. You know you say Kaswa people say make a camera. I said this they put the Kaswa they TV. Which guy, Ghana. You boy if you follow something that if you watch and say, hey, when Jimmy you? Who know when Jimmy? Or if you say they put they can't do show for the Independence Square there. They do on TV where they think this. See, hey Charlie. But Ghana, you know say we Jimmy for a year. We Jimmy for a year. All the January to December, the thing they do for me always they insult me. That was a promo. It was a marketing strategy. Today see December. Shatta Wale. Hey. Shatta Wale. Masa. Monsian Yansa. La demo yana enkame. Cosmetiano. My chef 543 woman con. Who favorite no nibi. Jai Jimieno. Mem wow. Jai Jimieno cause the cars me drive kwa mu nibi na wote on it Jai Jimieno. Chika ye to fi why drink back point Jai Jimieno se ni pe kasa ti advice sua bibi sua nyansa ugide nyina wo yem who sorry out me who say a comedy went Shatta Wale be possible na Shatta Wale na on no cause fra si afia me ti mu papa grant me talk fia me ti mu papa grant me talk fra Jimbaba. You know how many rich men are on my page and they are watching in? They love my stuff. Wait, Jimbaba. From Mbek was saying, Shanyansa, I say after this live video, if you know say you get the way get bad mind, and they show you way, make it your eye go view open and see what they go on for the world. Go see side, take see daughter, go wash your eye. Wash your eye. You go help you. Because this nonsense thing, this nonsense life, that you receive no shatter they move forward. I go in my life. I don't watch anybody. But see, somebody when they're playing song for TV and radio and stuff like that, where you get show December like this, you know they shy. If I tell you how much money they make you go cry. If I tell you how much money they make you go cry. If you see the promoters they fool. If you see the promoters they did the way they can't listen to another some the foolish guy and in squad way they did the ETV there. If you say, do you think that's what it is? You are very stupid. Themselves, they know I say that they know them are hearts inside. They know say Shatta they make money. And you see the money they make. You know the government will create that path for me. If you mean now my path. You know the government. Make nobody can sit and think the government go like Kofi go look for show for me. You are crazy. Or Mama will look for show for me. You are crazy. Don't be stupid. I say find your path and stop being stupid. Believe in yourself. This is how you have to be. Be it. Who are you looking at? Hey, my father did feature 3 billion, 4 billion. You give my father 3 billion, 4 billion. You only give your father 3 billion, 4 billion. You only give your father $100,000. But Jimaba, you can also be so find your path. This is December alone. That shows where you come on. If you say government or foolish and just or foolish or foolish. This TV where they go tell the promoters. The promoters know the worth of the time, the season. You understand me? This season, Charlie, if we get Shatta, we are good. That is what is important. So we Jimmy. Did if you talk man from January to December. Shatta Wale is not good. Shatta Wale Stonewall is good. Shatta Wale is not good. Shatta Wale Stonewall is good. Oh, see ya, your favorite. Your favorite. You know they wear this for a neck. Your favorite. Don't let anybody come brainwash you and tell you say Shatta Wale no the respect. Well, I know the respect. I know the see. I say I no go do my show 25th December. Eh? Promoters they book me pasa pa. Hey, promoters. Thank God promoters no be bandits. Hey, Shatta Wale. Hey, Shatta Wale. Hey, we got play this song. Hey, Shatta Wale. Hey, Shatta Wale. Do you know how many radio stations want me to come and sit there? And I told them, I have realized that my music is powerful, but my statements are greater. And it costs what it has to cost for people to have a change in life. So I am worth it to sit down for a radio station to pay me to come for an interview. Otherwise, when I see that, I have a friend that is on radio and I can go to the radio station. Someone like Jaybhad, sometimes they pity me, say, hey, the way me and Jaybhad there, and the people where they did, the settings where they did around, they are blind. They can't see because they think I'm a kid. They think that no, nigga, like my career inside us. Sometimes like they tell you something, don't see them like play. Me, I know they play where they here. I know they play where they are. Apart from my career inside, I don't go feel like you. God know. Like me, you see me, I reach over 20 million. Because you see the things where I get for myself. $20 million in my face. That's a hustle, my nigga. Why if it's no 20 million Ghana cedi, $20 million. I tell you, not see like that. If you sell like that, go get on like that. Maybe if you did that way, you don't know where you see me kobolo, I will give you kobolo. If you see me real person, wise person, I will give you wise speech. If you talk to me nice, I go talk to you nice. If you don't talk to me nice, I don't go talk to you nice. I don't give a fuck who your mother or your father be. Because your father and your mother all no big past God. Me, my boss, we are being boy. Your father, I said God, forgive God water before. Can't they tell when man they talk, then people want to make the thing look like you like, nigga, stop playing with Shatta Wale. I tell you people something. This is December for make a whole lot of you learn. And from next year, the bookings with me now, I get for myself, I decide. Because see all those people, they know what the people want. Or if you say you can't talk for TV, then some promoter will stop calling for show. You're a stupid boy. On that, your TV, you are stupid people there. You are very, like, senseless people. As they talk, somebody even want to bring me 10 billion. As they talk. So what do you think you are getting? You know, come back now, we make money. If I get 10 billion, I will give you one. That's what we did. You know, if you get 1 billion for your account, 100,000 Ghana cedi. Come on, 100,000. You don't even have it in your account. Come on, 100,000 Ghana cedi. You don't have it in your account. Come there. Do like you get money. You. Hey, I say don't listen to anybody who no get money. We go advise you. That person be foolish person. Especially if the person grow, don't listen to the person at all. You know, get money. They won't advise you. Find somebody. Unless maybe the word inside the community will be advice where they want to take. You want to use advice to pay your bills. You want to use advice to do your normal. You want to take advice, take trotro. You want to take advice, take taxi or Uber or Yango or both. You want to take advice, go sleep for hotel. You want to take advice, take buy watch. You want to take advice, go take advice, go buy watch for. Malata market. The way they will slap you, they will call Ali to come slap you.